Colliers is a leading diversified professional services and investment management company. It's among the top three IPCs in the world with the Nasdaq listed entity. We manage more than $40 billion of assets under management. Anything to do with property, maximizing the value and accelerate the success of our clients is our motto in the business. I lead the capital markets business for Colliers in India as a managing director of capital markets and investment services. We advise clients here right from acquisitions to dispositions of land, office assets, doing joint ventures, joint developments, and also giving any kind of capital solution which may be required either to raise debt, to raise equity, private equity. And this we do across all the asset classes of real estate, whether it's residential, office, industrial and logistics, data centers, hospitality, retail, so on and so forth. So for any kind of solutions which one may need on acquisitions, dispositions, form of capital raising, partnerships, please connect with me. From a real estate perspective, we offer services across the, spectrum. So we would like to connect with all kind of developers, whether it's a residential developer, office, logistics, data centers, any form of capital providers who would want to deploy capital on the equity side, structured side, credit side, any international capital provider who wants to, set up their shop in India, who wants to evaluate opportunities. So I think it's a pretty wide spectrum of people whom we want to exchange ideas and meet, and where we think we can add value to our clients. So across developers, across all sort of capital providers, and anyone who wants a real estate solution. So I'm a chartered accountant and a cost accountant, by academic qualification. I started my career with management consulting, Deloitte. On the client advisory side on infrastructure, and for a long period of time I was with Piramal Capital for about just under 15 years, deploying capital across residential, office, retail, hospitality, and was fortunate enough to do some large transactions with partners like Lodha, Wadhwa, set up the Ivanhoe Cambridge platform as a joint venture to invest in residential equity, ran that platform for about 3 years time. So, I did the business of debt for about, under 15 years in Piramal. And this is the time I've come to Colliers to now expand the business here on advisory side, which is a business of length and breadth. But having done the business of investment, which is a business going deeper and deeper, and coming here in Colliers is kind of giving me a very fantastic platform to understand what are the clients' problems, what are the solutions, we can give. So, and this is exciting times to be on this side, and I'm sure, I would be very happy to add value to all our clients. So, practically, I've been brought up in Mumbai, though was born in Haryana. My family originates from Rajasthan. What I love doing, so I have a passion for music. So I've been playing music. I play piano. I'm also getting hands-on to guitar for some time now. Another thing which I like to do is to run. So I have ran several full marathons, half marathons. So today also in the morning, if anyone stays in Mumbai and someone is at Carter Road Bandstand, you will see me running at about 5:45, 6 in the morning. And that's a place where I'll end up making a lot of friends, a lot of our developer friends, investor friends also, we bump up there. So running, music are my two things which I love to do. On a personal front, I'm a very family person. I love to spend as much time with my family, whether it's travel or just be hanging around with them. Another thing which is I think one of the most point of my life is being spiritual, being attached to God. So there are a few things which I do apart from meditation and reading scriptures. But there are certain objectives in life. To attach to God is what my ultimate motive in life.